yeah, I mean, I doubt, unless Biden gets into the race, I don't think anybody else is gonna, like, you know, make a splash.
Right.
So, which I don't know, I mean, I kind of hope he doesn't.
I kind of hope he doesn't either for him.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, like, he went through a lot, and, like, there's no reason to do that. I mean, you know, it's his life, I get that. Yes, I know there is. I know there is. And that girl, actually, she's a singer. She had, like, she had a one-hit wonder, like, probably last year.